channel.
You really have to go through all these roads before you
Welcome
focus
back. My
on
name
the
is
test.
Alvin Cruz Hayores,
Kasama si
and
Dr.
I'm
Alan
not
Duacio. Nasa
holding
kaman.
it.
Nandito kami. Makikinig at
I have
makikipagkwentuhan.
Tingnan us at share ko lang at
it can
gmailnews.tv.
Dahil sa buhay, lamang
stand
ng may
by
karamay.
its own.
Hashtag
And
share ko
you
na.
can put your phone. So let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Ano kaya ito?
And let's learn something. How to make colors, because I'm actually an artist. I even know how to make all of the colors, even black,
Bakit ka ba mahalaga?
even what I'm wearing. So if you are an artist or you want to mix color, you just watch this video so you can know how to mix colors. And next time
Dito sa Tomas Morato, karaniwang
you play with your friends' paints, you know how to mix colors, and your friend will say, how can you mix pink? It's red and white. There. But we only need the primary colors like white, but green is a primary color, but we don't need to get green. We can make green. I'll try to remember all of the things. Brown, I forgot brown and green. But my grandpa is an artist, so I'm gonna flip it.